Hey guys, Pete here, HVAC Greatness. Hopefully you get this in time. We're doing a live workshop on an abbreviated tool for pricing your flat rate, your change outs, and your maintenance agreements, and even calculating an hourly rate for HVAC specifically. But on the hourly rate, it can be on anything. It could be your plumbing department, your commercial department, whatever, electrical, whatever else that you're doing. Okay, so here we're talking about the overall program. Here's your options. This workshop is a fraction of what the full do-it-yourself suite is. Obviously, on the full suite, we're going to have templates for doing all these other tools. Let me show you what that looks like. The calculator is over here. This is where we put all the input in. And if you've seen this before, we literally put in our equipment. We get lists. You can list all your equipment here, and then it will actually plug in all your numbers here and spit out an exact selling price. You'll know exactly what your net profit is. You'll know exactly what your overhead is. You'll know everything. And it does that not just for your change outs, but it will also do it for your repairs. So here's what the calculator looks like. On the full suite, which is not part of the live training program, but you'll get the option to add that if you want, at a discount, of course. On the full suite, you're going to get discount. You're going to get access to the actual calculation, taking your equipment and calculating it into system pricing. So if you'll enter in all your equipment, for example, here we've got a bronze, silver, gold, platinum option. Maybe that's 14, 16, 18, 20. And then once you dial into each of these, you can have multiple options already set up. This way you're not over there having your people try to reprice stuff they don't understand. You put your packages together and you enter this. This will automatically calculate it for you, but you do have to take this template and customize it with your logos and plug your numbers in. Likewise, we're going to do the same thing on your flat rate repairs that look like this. This is the entire book here. And if we look at it one page at a time, this would be your cover page, obviously. And again, these are templates over that are yours. You'll own them. And then you can put all of your, let's say your more popular repairs. Let's say you've got, a basic condenser fan motor, $714. And we put some SKU numbers in here for you, as well as member pricing that you can add. And you can do just about everything because we add what's called level of service, which you're going to see right here. This is where you basically choose your repair time, how long it's going to take, and it'll spit out an exact price. So this is anything an hour or less with a component that costs $25 or less. We just charge the same thing. I mean, why have 20 prices for the same basic repair that's here or there a few bucks? So the point is, you're going to get this tool here to do your load calculation on either program. You're going to be able to figure out what your capacity is so that you can set monthly goals, so that you'll make your money. And we'll also have a little tool in here to help you figure out what you want to spend on advertising, as well as something to help you figure out, okay, how much labor am I actually generating, and can I afford that $25 an hour helper or whatever? And so all these tools will be part of that. Again, the live training is going to be link number 1. And then if you just want to do the full suite, a lot of you already have that. That suite number, that'll be option number 2. And you may even be able to get me to walk you through it personally. We can just set up right. Pete Ramsey here, HVAC Greatness. Hope you like this. Hope you take advantage, guys. Don't stop losing money. Okay. See you next time.